friend. Hi. Hi, how are you? I don't actually
Your sunglasses, your sunglasses.
I don't actually have much that I'd like to give you right now. It might be on video.
Is it on? Yeah, it's recording.
Okay, you got it?
And the thing is, have you got it? Have you got the one in your bag? Oh, he's biting a hole in your bag.
Lee, Mr. Lee, what would you, can you give me some advice on how you'd handle? Is he okay?
Yeah, he's okay. He's just... Hey.
Oh. Can you take a picture of this really fast?
I think I'm recording it there.
Oh, push the button that stops recording.
Okay.
Oh, did they steal some bag?
That's what
Did you see that I got anything out?
I didn't see it.